You hope that it's one of the happiest days of your life. Walking down the aisle, saying I do, cutting the cake, making a toast, throwing the bouquet.
While going over all the details, don't forget one of the most critical things on your to-do list. Before a couple can walk down the aisle, they must first walk into their county clerk's office to obtain a marriage license. This video covers what you need to know and what documents to bring when applying for a Texas marriage license.
A couple who intends to be married in Texas must apply in person for a marriage license at a Texas county clerk's office. Applicants should be 18 years or older. Anyone who is 16 or 17 must have either judicial approval or parental consent to marry. Applicants do not need to be a resident of Texas, and persons who may be delinquent for payment of court-ordered child support will still be eligible for a Texas marriage license.
So when should you apply for the marriage license?
There is a 72-hour waiting period between the issuing of the license and the ceremony, and this waiting period is strictly enforced. If either party is active military, the 72-hour waiting period is waived if they present their military ID when applying for the license. Please note, a marriage license is valid for only 30 days. If the license expires before the ceremony, a new license will have to be purchased.
After a divorce is granted in the state of Texas, there's also a 30-day waiting period before a person can remarry. An applicant may apply for a license within the 30 days if the court issues a waiver in the divorce decree. So now, let's take a look at the standard process to apply for a marriage license.
You will need to bring one valid form of ID, such as your driver's license, a certified copy of your birth certificate, or U.S. passport or military ID card, and your Social Security card, or at least knowledge of the number. Blood tests or medical examinations are not required in Texas. Underage applicants should check with your county clerk's office for specific requirements of identification. If you've been divorced and want to use your maiden name on the marriage license, bring a certified copy of your divorce decree which states that your name is to be changed to your maiden name. The application for a license must be signed by both the bride and groom in the presence of a county clerk. If one applicant is unable to appear personally before the clerk, any adult may apply on behalf of the absentee applicant. The person applying on behalf of an absentee applicant shall provide the clerk a properly executed absent affidavit, which you can find at your county clerk's office or by downloading online at TexasCounties4U.org. The absentee applicant must complete this form in the presence of a notary public. A title and name must be printed or typed below the authorized person's signature. The absentee applicant must present one valid form of ID. If the absentee applicant is unable to attend the ceremony, any adult over the age of 18 can act as the proxy for the purpose of participating in the ceremony, but that person's name must be noted in the affidavit. Marriage licenses issued in Texas can be used for ceremonies in another state or even in another country. Contact your out-of-state official before applying for a marriage license. Please keep in mind your license will only be recorded in the county, state, or country in which you applied. Fees for a marriage license range from $60 to $72. And there's good news for those on a budget. The state is now offering to waive $60 of the marriage license fee to those willing to attend a free 8-hour marital education class. The goal of the fun, interactive class is to help couples develop communication and other tools for a strong relationship, thus reducing high divorce rates. Couples who attend the class will still pay the smaller county portion of the fee, which varies by county, but is less than $12. To find a free Together in Texas class near you, please visit www.togetherinTexas.com.
That's it for this edition of Texas Counties for You. We hope this information has helped you in this very important and exciting time of your lives. Congratulations and best wishes.
In this video, we went to the county clerk's office for services. Finding your county clerk's office is easy. You can find the office phone number and address by looking in the government pages of your telephone directory. Another way to find your county clerk's office is to look on your county's website. One way to find your county's website is to go to www.TexasCounties4U.org. You can click on your county on the map or by the listing of counties underneath. When you're on your county's website, look for the link to the county clerk's office.